Today I have a Stitch Fix to unbox with you guys. So it's been a little bit since I've gotten a Stitch Fix. I was doing the back-to-back because they were offering it to me without a styling fee. So I was like, what do I have to lose? I decided to give it about 3 weeks before I scheduled another one. And so this one is it, and I'm going to see if the stylist gets it right. If not, I may choose another stylist for the next one at checkout. I feel like this stylist did really well the first 2 times, but then it's kind of been lacking. Like, she's not been listening to what I'm saying and not sending me anything. I do honestly feel like they're just sending like what they're wanting to get rid of or something like that, because it's nothing that I'm actually asking for. So I'm gonna give them another chance this time. And then if this one's not really what I'm looking for, then I may move on to another stylist and just do it monthly again instead of back-to-back. So let's go ahead and get started unboxing this Stitch Fix for June. So Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service. You can schedule it as often as you want, whether you want it every season, every month. You can choose your own frequency. It is a $20 styling fee. Anything that you purchase from that fix will be applied toward the styling fee, but if you don't purchase anything, then you do lose that $20 styling fee. So the first thing you're gonna see is a return package to send anything back you don't want. And then you're gonna have a pricing sheet with some cards that show how you can style your pieces. I'll put that to the side and we'll go over the pricing when I do the try on. Here is the bundle. This looks like a pretty thick bundle, you guys. I'm really surprised with it being summer, so it looks like there's darker colors in here. It is exciting to open these bundles up. So the first thing is this sleeveless top from 41 Hawthorne, Riley twist neck knit top in burgundy, size medium. And then we have a print. It is the Beacon Erica sleeveless knit top in navy, size medium. It's got a little tie front. It's got a floral detail. I have asked over and over, and no floral prints. I got it in my last fix, and when I checked out, I said, again, please no florals. In this note, I mentioned solids only, no florals. And here we have a floral. And then this looks like maybe it's a jacket. It's from Liverpool, which I love that brand. And it is the fitted blazer in burnt orange, size medium. I actually really like this. I might not be able to wear it right now for summer because it's 90+ degrees here, but it may be good for transitioning into fall. Looking forward to that. And then this is a dress or a jumpsuit. Okay, so this is a jumpsuit. It's a rib style, and it's from Nine Britain, the Hope Knit V-neck jumpsuit in navy. So I have been asking for jumpsuits every single fix, so here we go. Does it have pockets? Yes, so I'm excited about this. And then we have the cargo wide leg pant in tan, size 8. These feel really nice and lightweight, almost like that moisture wicking material, and they are cargo pants. So I'm finally getting the cargo pants that I've been asking for as well. Nice elastic and a great neutral. So normally I don't do this because I think when I first started doing the Stitch Fix unboxings, I was reading the note from the stylist, and I had some people say that it was personal, they didn't want to hear it. So I stopped reading the note. But I just have to let you know, I read the note after I unbox it with you guys before I try on to see if there's any styling suggestions or anything from the stylist. But what I found very interesting is that she had stated that she was glad to see, you know, that I'd seen some things from the preview that I liked, which I forgot to mention. There is a preview where you can preview 10 items. So if there's anything you want, you can pick up to 5. If you pick less than 5, then they'll replace the other ones up to 5 with something new. And for the first time ever, they actually gave me a second preview. So on the second preview, these pants were actually on here, which we're gonna get to in just a minute. But again, I was like, no florals, please, only solids. So in her note to me, she says that she chose the navy Beacon Erica top, making sure to avoid florals. This is the Beacon top, and to me, that looks like florals. I guess maybe it's not, but it still looks like a floral print to me. So this is the top that has that little twist top, which I think fits much better than the green one did in my last fix. I like this color. The material's really good, and I think it fits good. I can tuck it in if I want to, do a front tuck. Now, these pants I was really excited about. I've actually had these saved for quite a while, and I almost bought them on Freestyle on my own because I kept asking for cargo pants. She kept telling me she didn't have any in inventory, and I'm like, they're on my saved. I can buy them from Freestyle. So I almost bought these, but then she sent them in this one, so I'm super excited that she had sent them in this one, but these are so big, you guys. So these are in a size 8, which is my normal size. And like, I'm having to put them up here to even get them to like be where they're supposed to be, but then they just keep falling down because they are so big. There's a lot of elastic in here. The feel of them, the material is really nice, but they're also super long, which I thought it said it had a 27-inch inseam. But these, I have like probably a 2.5-inch heel, and they are still dragging the ground and I'm walking on them. So these are probably about a 4-inch too long for me, first of all. So then I've got to decide, do I want to spend the money to get these altered? Because I don't even think sizing down to a 6, while I think it will fit like in the waist and in this area right here where it seems to be very big and loose, I don't know that it will help the length at all. So I'm still going to have to worry about hemming them. But I love the color of these. The material is so good. It's got that cargo parklet style, really nice waistband. It's just, they are so big and loose, and I know they're not steamed. They came straight out of the box, you guys. So I know you'll just have to disregard that, but I mean, they are long, but I'm walking on them with heels. So I'm not sure. This is a style I'd rather wear flats with, maybe even some sneakers sometime for a really casual look. So this is fix number 56. So the pants are the cargo wide leg pants in tan. They are $68. The top is the 41 Hawthorne twist neck knit top, and it's $45. So I just decided to go ahead and leave the pants on and put this non-floral top on. So this has the sleeveless top. It's got a tie here in the front. I just don't like the pattern, you guys. So it does have a nice lay to it. The top itself is really nice. If this was in a solid color, I would like this top because I think that it doesn't show in the armholes, and it's really nice and breathable. Fabric's good. It fits good. The neckline's really nice. You can untie these if you want to do that. But I mean, I think this is a good fitting top, and the material's nice. So this is the Beacon Erica sleeveless knit top in navy, $39. Not a bad price for this one either, especially if you factor in the 25% discount if you bought it all. I got so excited to show you this jumpsuit that I forgot to put some shoes on. So you don't have any shoes on with this, try on. I was excited about this jumpsuit when I put it on. So it's got a rib texture. Let me show you and see if you can see up close. See this rib texture? The only thing I'm like, why is this tie so long? See how long this lays? It lays way down here. But it's got a great V-neck. The sleeves bra friendly, pockets, nice loose wide leg. I really like this one, you guys. It feels good. It's a cotton feel. So really nice. I love this one, you guys. I love jumpsuits. It's long enough in the torso. And what do you think about this jumpsuit? So this is the Nine Britain Hope knit V-neck jumpsuit in navy, $59. Not a bad price for this one either. I really wish that I was going to be able to get all 5 items because, you know, getting that 25% off helps a lot. So what do you guys think about the blazer? I love Liverpool. They usually fit me very well. Even sometimes I will size down to a small in Liverpool, but for some reason, like, I will not be able to button this, but I leave my jackets open anyway, and the sleeves are a good length. Normally I have to roll up the sleeves, but I'm not going to have to do that on this one, and it's a really nice material. I like this striation and this heathering look that goes throughout here, and it's got all kinds of pretty fall colors. Now this is hot. I just put this on in my house and I'm burning up, so I don't think this is going to be a really good summertime jacket. So this is definitely going to have to be the transitioning into fall, which, you know, it doesn't bother me at all to go ahead and get some of these if it's really nice. I think this is really good, but I'm not sure if this looks really tight. It's good in the shoulders. The seam on the shoulders fits nicely. The sleeves that fit right. I mean, usually sleeves are not the right length on me. They're always too long, but it's just in this bust area and in the waist. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to button it if I wanted to. So should I size up to a large in this, or just stay to the medium size, or should I just not even keep this one at all? What do you guys think? So this is a little bit pricey, as with all Liverpool items. This is the Liverpool fitted blazer. So it's supposed to be fitted, but I'm not sure. I think you're still supposed to be able to button it. And it's in a size medium. It's $119. But I love this, you guys. It's a really nice blazer. I like it, but I just don't think it fits well. And for that price, it's got to fit really good. So all together, the total of these 5 items is $330. If you bought everything and got the 25% discount, that would take $82.50 off, making the subtotal $247, and then the purchase credit from the styling fee minus 20. The total would be $227.50 before taxes if you got all 5 items, which I know I'm not gonna get all 5 items because I don't like that floral top. The pants, those cargo pants are really nice. They're comfortable, but there's something that I would want to wear with flats, and they're just probably about 4 inches too long to be able to do that. And they're really big in the waist. So I would have to size down, but I would hate to check out and size down and then that size not fit. So I don't know. I love this blazer, but I feel like it's a little bit too tight fitting and it doesn't give enough material in the front, so it kind of looks like it's too small. The burgundy top that I first tried on with that twist top, I liked that. I think it was a good top, but because I'm not gonna be getting the discount, that's $45. So is it worth that? Absolutely love this jumpsuit. It's super comfortable. It's a great casual. I could wear sneakers with this because it's that knit rib, so I could wear sneakers with this if I wanted to. So make it really super casual. Or I could dress it up with heels and a moto jacket. You do have just 3 days to return this though. Also, let me know if you would change your stylist as well. So I'm just really having a hard time thinking she doesn't get me. And in this box, she's giving me the cargo pants that I've asked for. And I love blazers. I have so many blazers saved and I've been asking for jumpsuits. So she's giving me that. So what do you guys think? Should I stay with the same stylist? Should I give Stitch Fix a break a little bit? So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.